magnetic and gyro compass. I am asking you, what is the course? You are the AB. What is the course running? Duty officer. Duty officer, what is doing? I am asking, what is the course running? He don't know. Can you explain in Chinese? What course running? You explain. Captain asking course. Okay, duty officer. Now you know. Now tomorrow we are passing Singapore and this one. Now I need this NAVTEX warning and weather warning. Quickly bring for me. Okay. NAVTEX and weather warnings I need. Hello, look out. Did you see any vessel or not? I am asking you, vessel. Did you see any boat or not? Okay. What? I am asking any boat. Did you see any boat? Here any boat? Fishing boat? What? Duty officer. Duty officer. I did not ask you. I asked your weather warning NAVTEX report. Please bring, my friend. Hey, hello. Look out. How many targets here? No? In the radar, did you not see this small boat? Hello? Huh? My friend, I am asking NAVTEX warning. NAVTEX warning. This I did not ask you. Hello? Now you understand. Now this man explain you in Chinese. What course running? Gyro. What gyro course running? What magnetic course running? Hello? What is going? I did not ask you. I am asking course.
This one.
No. Course. Magnetic course, gyro course. What course running? Course running. What is going? Duty officer. Did you check the squat when we will pass from the 1 fathom bank? No. Basic planning I know. I am asking you, what will be the squat if you will pass with 10 knots? Hello. Did you read the passage plan or not? Just tell me. Did you read passage plan? What? इधर आ जाओ ना, करीब आके बनाएगा. Where is the passage plan? What will be the maximum speed? Okay, when we will pass this 1 fathom buoy and Batu Baranti 12 knots, can we pass on daytime with high speed or no? Just tell me 12 knots or not. Huh?
Not.
What? Not? I am asking this squat.
Squat.
Squat. Bring the squat table.
Okay.
What is this?
Squat.
My friend, this is DNVGL. I want squat. This is DNVGL. My friend, how you will pass 1 fathom if you don't know squat?
That's.
My friend, this is cargo ballast. I am asking squat. You are officer of the watch. I am asking squat. You will pass 1 fathom bank with squat. You don't know squat? Ship, slow, speed, squat table. This is, this is speed. I am asking this one. Did you check what will be the squat maximum? Huh?
Squat. I cannot.
Not SCOT. SCOT is different. SCOT is International Safety Guide for Oil Tankers and Terminals. I am asking squat, open water, and this one. You see this one? Confined water. Static and dynamic. You know static and dynamic? Dynamic forces, static forces. You don't know? Huh? Hello, look out. How many ships here now? Tell me. Small boats. How many? Huh? Yeah. From the yesterday, he did not see any target. 50 targets passing. I will tell to chief officer change the lookout. He don't know. Duty officer, tomorrow you understand everything. Hello. Now you understand steering now? The magnetic compass and gyro compass. Now you understand because he explained you in Chinese language. Now tell me what course running? 091. You see? Please explain in Chinese everything. Okay? Now okay.